Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do a quick session, quick reveal. It's a claimer. It's not from the scratch ticket, but it's ticket from lottery, the Daily Derby. So I won on the 25th of August 25th, 2024. I got the 3 matches numbers, but I didn't get the time. I never thought the time matters, right? So look at this, guys. Hold on, it's 25th, and this is the date, August 25th. August 25th, 6 8 10. I got 6 8 10, but the time I have 82 and they have 95. I didn't know that the race time is matter. I thought it's only when you got the 3, that's it. But I got 795 when I scratched this ticket. It's 795. I won. It says trifecta. Yeah. So I'm going to lottery office today. So I'm gonna claim that it's a claimer. I already had my form. I bought this in 7-Eleven. Okay, guys. Thank you and good luck also to your tickets. Yeah, I'm so happy. It's a claimer. I thought it's gonna be 71,193, but the race time. Anyways, still a claimer. Okay. Thank you. Love you all. Thank you, California. Bye. Okay, guys. I'm here. I'm back. My second time. So I'm gonna claim my claimer. Yeah, today is Tuesday.
Y a un señor de
¿Verdad?
allí, de los que tienen camioncito, un señor de los que tienen camioncito, camiones esos de pasajeros, le quemaron uno de sus camiones. Y no hay misericordia también, que unos 3 moros apenas para el gas, pero son malignos pues.
Okay, guys, I got my check. Here it is.